it is Tracy Jackson, also known as the Spiritual Cheerleader, and I'm coming to you today with an unboxing video for the Goddess Power Oracle. Sorry about that. You're seeing the reflection of my camera in the actual Goddess Power Oracle. Maybe that's a little bit better. How beautiful is this? I haven't even taken the shrink wrap off, which probably should have found some scissors ahead of time. Thankfully we have some. Awesome. Super excited to check this out, see what it looks like. I have used these cards on Colette's website, but I haven't used them in person. Here is how it looks without the shrink wrap. Really pretty. Kind of looks like a book, and it seems like there is a sleeve here, so I'm just trying to get it out of the sleeve. There it is, without breaking it. So sleeve comes off, and you have this beautiful box that opens on the side here. Opens up, and it says, "The mystical, the magical, the numinous quality of life is the domain of the fierce and creative feminine aspect of the universe." Right, and it has the wonderful little ribbon here to help you get it out. And this is our guidebook. Also has that same detail with the 3 moons, basically a symbol of the goddess. And we have this wonderful box with the cards in it, and I love how power kind of shines there. Goddess does too. Very pretty. Super excited for these cards. I cannot take it. They are beautiful. They come again with the ribbon inside, as well as sorry, trying to focus that, with that little nice thing around them. Like, I don't even know what it's called, like the little binding that they always have around them that I never want to break. Oh my god, these cards are freaking gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just going to take us through the cards. As I was mentioning, I have used this deck only online. Colette has the deck available to pull from and use, so that you can kind of see what the messages are like, see what the artwork is like before you buy. I will include that link in this unboxing video just so that you can check that out, as well as a link to the Goddess Power Oracle on Amazon. All right, so we're gonna go through the cards, and each card has this symbol on the back of it. Again, I love these. And Colette's artist is Jenna Talia. She has been working with Colette for quite some time now. And her artwork is, I mean, I swear it gets like better and better at each deck. I just love this. Oh, and this is our cover lady, Sarah Dunn. I just love how beautiful these colors are on this cards. I'm so excited. So excited to use these and pull from these. Freya. How beautiful is Gaia? The pregnant belly, I love it. Green Terra. Gula. And I love how the numbers are even on the cards. I think they're really beautiful as well. Love the detail that many of them have like in their faces. You can see it there. Oh, so pretty. Look at how amazing that one is. Oh, just gorgeous. Ishtar. I just did a healing session with Ishtar a few days ago. Super excited about it. My girl, Isis. Kali. How pretty. Look at Kuan Yin. Let me. Okay, better. Better focus. Lakshmi. This card is like the one that like caught my eye when I first saw it. And look at, do you see how like the number seems to like shine? Ugh, I love that. Look at how pretty Lilith is. Woo! Love it. Mott. Girl Mott. Beautiful. Mary. Mama Kila. Mama Kocha. Beautiful card. Maya. Oh, I just love these. Oh, I'm so excited to use them. They are gorgeous. And they also have that typical matte finish that most of the newer cards from Hay House have. At least pretty much all of the ones that I've gotten recently from Hay House have had this matte finish, and I personally love it. This was one of the my first reading from the Goddess Oracle. This was the card I got. Was Nike was the first card. Love this card, the Nyx card. Freaking beautiful. And how blissed out does Oshun look, right? I love it. Oh, I'm getting out of focus here with the cards. Parvati, I got her as well in my first reading. Love Persephone. Gorgeous. Rhea. Saraswati. How pretty is she? I'm like trying to get it back in focus. There it is. Gorgeous. Shakti. Skuld. This literally wants to keep getting out of focus for me. Like, come on. Let's get back in. There you go. Skuld. Sophia. I mean, how pretty is she? Spider Woman. Not Spider Gwen, but Spider Woman. Zumi. The White Buffalo Calf Woman. Yi. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And Yuki Onna is the last card. 52 cards in this deck, right? And the guidebook has everything, has each of the cards listed here. Obviously, the numbers are on the cards as well. There's some information regarding, you know, the goddesses and how Colette started, how she created the deck. She also has a whole section on how to use the cards, and has some spreads in here. She's got the 3-card goddess spread, 3-card goddess power council spread, the special guidance spread from the goddess Mnemosyne. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm like, it's the word that we use. We get mnemonic from it. Nemesis, maybe that, I think that's how you say it. Nemesis. 4 jewels of the goddess spread, a full moon illuminating spread. I'll be using that tonight. New moon intention activation spread. Yeah, tonight is the actual full moon. It's the Virgo full moon, so I'm definitely going to use that. And then it goes through and gives you the messages and meanings. It looks like you have an empowerment message and an alignment message. And I'm assuming that the empowerment message is when the card appears upright, and the alignment message is when the card appears in reverse. Colette is really big on presenting cards that go both upright and in reverse, meaning that when you pull the card, it could either come like this or like this. And it has a dual meaning to the card. So instead of, 52 cards, you're literally getting 104 cards because basically they have double meaning. The coolest thing that I think she has in here is she has suggested further reading. So in case you want to learn more about the goddesses in the oracle, you can, dive deeper with some of the suggested books. I'm assuming, because I know Colette as my teacher, that she used many of these books in her research in coming up with this deck. And so I highly recommend her suggested reading list, because I've seen her reading list before, and they're really, really thorough, and they really do give you the guidance that you're wanting if you're wanting to dive deeper. So it's really, really cool to see all of this, and I'm super excited to work with the deck. I will probably come back on at some later time and actually do a card pull from the deck. I probably my weekly card this week will probably come from this deck, and maybe I'll make it a little bit longer so that I actually pull the cards myself. So you see me pull the card and give you the guidance from the reading real time, so that you can see how the cards react. But I'm super excited to work with it. I can't wait. And like I said, I hope that you this helped you, this unboxing helped you, and that you are able to try it out for yourself before you buy it, like on her website. And I hope that you buy it, because it looks to be a really, really cool deck, and I can't wait to use it. So at that, I'm going to leave you, and I will talk to you later. We're in the 13th minute, the goddess number. So I'm going to leave you now. Have a good one. Bye.